So, hello everyone, my name is Piyush, and today I am taking the fourth part, or we can say D part of the multiplication, that is none other the multiplication by Vedic mathematics. Now, in the previous multiplication methods of Vedic maths, we have there are three kinds of questions, and we can solve the questions in different sutra methods. So in the very first method by Ekadik and Purven, we have started with the two digit number, and we have a condition in that the sum of unit digit should be 10 or the tens digit should be same. In the next method, that was Eka Union Purven, that was basically based on the 9 series method, in which we'll multiply the number by the nines or 9. In the third one method that we have done in the previous one class, in which we have taken the sub base, means we have taken any random number, any two digit number that was near to sub base, basically 50. So we have taken that time three parts. The three parts, like we have taken the question of 42, 48, 47, 52, or we can say like 52, 56. Lower than base, lower than sub base, lower than one lower than sub base, one more than sub base, and both more than sub base. Now today we are taking the fourth part, that is base method, and this method is basically near to 100, so that's why we call it to be Nikhilam method or near to hundreds method. This is called base method because we are taking the direct 100. In the previous one we have taken the 50, that's why that method called to be sub base method. So here we are taking the Nikhilam method because Nikhilam Navatas charamam method. So it is basically the same. There are three kinds of questions we'll find here. In the very first, we'll find both number lower than the base. In this, there will be two numbers 97, 94 that are lower than the base. The base is 100, and the base that we are taking here is what? 100 base we are taking here. In this method, both the numbers are more than the base, and in this type 3, one is lesser than the base and the one is higher than the base. Now, how to multiply these three numbers, these different kind of numbers, in just 20 seconds, max to max 20 seconds, here we can start. So 97 and 94 is there. So what is 97? 97 is how much lesser than 100? Minus 3 lesser than 100. 94 I am writing here. 94 is how much lesser than 100? Minus 6 lesser than 100. That we already done. Now we will multiply the differences. 6 3 ja 18. 6 3 ja 18. And in 100, this time we will take two numbers at the right hand side. We will take the two numbers that we are taking, two numbers 18. And this is what slash I am writing here. Now, if we subtract 97 by 6 or subtract 94 by 3, in both the cases we will get the same answer. Means if we subtract 97 minus 6 or 94 minus 3, in both the cases we will get the answer 91. Correct? So the final answer is 9118. So this is the easiest multiplication of 97 94 in a very short seconds. Coming to the next part of question, in the next part of question, we can say there are two kinds of question. One is more than the base, more than 3. The another one is also more than the base, that is also 5. The same method will apply here. 5 3 ja 15. I am writing here 5 3 ja 15, and the slash 103 plus 5 or 105 plus 3. In both the cases, we will get the answer 108, and the final answer is 10815. 10815. This is also the simplest method, means directly multiply the differences and add the diagonal numbers. Now, in the last part, that is little bit typical, we can say, but easiest manner, because we have already done this kind of question in sub base. This 103 is how much more than the base? 3 more than the base. More means plus. This 98 is how much lesser than the base? 2 lesser than the base. So 3 2 ja, I am writing here 6. I am writing here 6. But I will not write here 6. I will write here what? 06. Because why I'm writing here 06? Why I'm writing here 06? Because the number right at right hand side we are having two places that we have to write. So I'm writing it like this. So either 103 minus 2 is 101 or 98 plus 3 is 101. So I'm writing here 10. So I'm writing here 101 and here 06 bar. Why I'm writing here bar? I told you in the previous class, negative sign written as bar. So in this we'll getting here the value is 06 bar. So now what we'll do? We'll subtract the 6 by 10, all from 9, last from 10 by Nikhilam. So all from 9, 10 minus 6 is, 10 minus 6 is what? So I'm writing it like this, 0, I'm writing it completely first. I will write it complete first. Then I will subtract. Then I will subtract over here. So 106, 06. So this is the value over here. So in this part we will write 10 minus 6 is what? 4. Then 9 minus 0 is what? 9. Remaining part of the number will take the predecessor. Then this become what? 1, 0. And this is what? The final answer. So it is all based on the easiest methodology of multiplication, the simple and sober. Thank you and Jai Hind.